Hi, in this 2-minute video, we'll take a closer look at the benefits of a 30x40 carport from Allen's Factory Outlet, how it can be customized to meet your needs and installed on your property for free. We'll also share customer testimonials to make it even more real. Let's get started. The benefits of having a 30x40 carport are numerous. You'll have extra storage space, a place to park vehicles, or even an area for barbecue and family reunions. With a 30x40 carport, you can create the space you need for your hobbies, work, or play. But what carport contractor should you trust? Here's why Allen's Factory Outlet is your best option. Reason number 1, full customization. You can use our 3D builder to choose the color you want, the roof you want, and more features like windows, doors, and much more. That way, you can create a more comfortable and functional space for your needs. Reason number 2, free installation. Setting up a carport is an important task. At Allen's Factory Outlet, the installation is free. You save both time and money, and you get the best carport. This is our way of showing that we care. Reason number 3, hassle-free payment. You only need to pay a small deposit when you order your carport at Allen's Factory Outlet, and you pay the rest upon delivery. This means you don't have to worry about paying the full amount up front. Plus, you can have peace of mind knowing that we use only high-quality materials for our carports, which are made to order in the USA. But don't take our word for it. Listen to what our satisfied customers have to say about their carports.
We wanted the carport because my wife is used to having her car undercover. Now my wife can put her car under the carport and keep it fairly clean. I looked at different sites. A few of them had some bad reviews. A few of them had carports I didn't like. Then I found Allen's Outlet Factory. He had fantastic reviews. The carport were in range of what I was looking for, and so I chose Allen's. Buying experience was real easy. I just went on the website, looked at the different carports. I chose the color of the roof and I chose the color of the outline, and so I went ahead and purchased it.
More than 12,000 customers like Charles have had a great experience with Allen's Factory Outlet, and you could be next. Get a 30x40 carport today for way less than most people pay. We can help you save thousands of dollars. Whenever you're ready, visit our website at allensfactoryoutlet.com to start customizing your carport. There's a link in the description. We'll see you there.